In this video, a couple of people have asked me, because they've got an interest in underground tunnels and military installations, people have asked me, because I do dowsing, whether or not we can, I can locate where the tunnels are and perhaps where they begin. So that's like the tunnel opening. The area in question that the map is, the pendulum is currently on, is Porton, which is probably 3 miles north of Salisbury. So I'm just going to show you the directions for me. So yes is a clockwise position. You can all see that. Okay, no is anti-clockwise. You can see the pendulum changing because I'm thinking no in my mind. And the pendulum also knows that I'm going to go through this process because I do it every time I use it. And then ask again or don't know is back and forth. Everybody saw that, yeah? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to dowse along this ruler, because when the pendulum starts to change direction is where the tunnel will start. So in order to use a pendulum or rods, you have to be very clear in your intention. So what I'm doing at the moment is I'm being very clear in my mind what I'm actually asking for. If you're not clear, you'll just get nonsense. So I'm coming along the ruler now, and I'm over Boscombe Down airfield, and the pendulum has started to change to yes. So we know that there are tunnels under Boscombe Down. I'm coming along now towards Porton, and it's saying no, not there. So if I go back up again the ruler, it's saying yes for Porton Down. So what I'm trying to find is where the tunnel begins. So if I come further, okay, so Porton Village is here, and so here is all kind of MOD land. So I'm coming over this way. There's an earthwork there. Okay, and I've got yes at that location there. So there is the earthwork. That's very precise. You can see a yes there. So that's that location there. Okay. Okay, so the laser pen is shining roughly on where I believe the tunnel entrance is. Okay, and if I can just zoom out again, that there is one of the runways at Boscombe Down. So yeah. Okay, the second area that the person asked me to concentrate on is the area known as Salisbury Plain, which is north of Salisbury. So intuitively, I felt it was good to start at a place called Tilshead, and I just felt that the tunnel was to the left of Tilshead, so Tilshead's probably out of the shot range at the moment, but I'm just starting here north of an area called Chapperton Down, West Lavington Down. So I'm right in all the areas where the MOD won't let anybody go. Okay, so I'm using the pendulum to come down along the ruler. The reason we use a ruler is so we can cross-reference and find the exact spot. So I'm coming down. Okay, I'm getting nothing here. Nothing there. Nothing there. I've come down to Chapperton Down. Nothing there. Nothing there. Ooh. It's changed there. Okay, so I'm just going to move the ruler. No, nothing there. It changed. Just there, and that's yes, there. That is right where it says. See there, it says danger area. That is in this position here. I'll take a close-up photograph. So there's something going on here. So I'll take a picture and so you can zoom in. Okay, thank you. The third area I'm going to have a look at is just up by Uphaven, which is still classed as Salisbury Plain. So my pendulum is starting at a village called Rushall, and I'm coming down heading towards Enford. Oh, that changed there. You can see that my hand isn't moving, my fingers or my hand isn't moving the pendulum. So we've got Enford there, and that is an area, Waterdene Bottom. So that is showing as yes right there. So, oh, that writing's too small for me to. There is an earthwork here. So there's something in this area here, so I'll take another photograph and so you can zoom in.